last time we calculated the value of Lx, Ly and Lz in terms of spherical polar coordinates. Today we will find out the L square in operator form in spherical polar coordinates. So basically we will find out L square. We have to show that L square is equals to minus h cross square 1 by sine theta del by del theta sine theta del by del theta plus 1 upon sine square theta del square upon del phi square. So in the last lecture, we calculated the value of Lx. Lx, it was given by IH cross sine phi del by del theta plus cot theta cos phi del by del phi. So now we will find out Lx into Lx because we want to find out the value of L square. है ना? So L square, it is given by Lx into Lx plus Ly into Ly plus Lz into Lz. That is why we are first trying to find out the value of Lx into Lx. So Lx into Lx, it will be IH cross into this multiplied by IH cross into this. So I have written just the value of Lx. Now IH cross into IH cross, it is I square H cross square. And then I will solve this bracket. So sin phi del by del theta multiplied by sin phi del by del theta, this term. Then sin phi del by del theta multiplied by cot theta cos phi del by del phi, that is this term. Then cot theta cos phi del by del phi multiplied by sin phi del by del theta, that is this term. And then cot theta cos phi del by del phi multiplied by cot theta cos phi del by del phi, that is this term. So now sin phi del by del theta into sin phi del by del theta, it will be sin square phi del square upon del theta square. Sin phi, now here we are differentiating with respect to theta. So I will take cos phi outside. So sin phi cos phi del by del theta of cot theta del by del phi, that is what is left over here. Here cot theta cos phi, it is differentiation with respect to del by del phi. I will keep it as it is. I haven't changed this term. And here sin phi cos phi del by del theta of cot theta. Here cot theta cos phi del by del phi of cot theta cos phi del by del phi. So I took cot theta outside because we are differentiating with respect to phi. So I will get cot square theta cos phi, and inside the bracket we will have del by del phi cos phi del by del phi. So now what I have to do, I have to use the u into v rule. What is u into v rule? D uv upon dx. D by dx of u into v. It is given by u dv by dx plus v du by dx. This is the product rule of differentiation. Derivative of first function into second function. This first function as it is, derivative of second term plus second term as it is, derivative of first term. That way. So see here, minus h cross square as it is, sin square phi del square upon del theta square plus sin phi cos phi. First term as it is. And derivative of del by del theta of del by del phi, that will be del square del theta del phi plus sin phi cos phi. Cot theta ka derivative, it is minus cosec square theta, and second term as it is, that is del by del phi plus cot theta cos phi derivative sin phi as it is, derivative of del by del theta, that is del square upon del phi del theta plus cot theta cos phi, derivative of sin phi, it is cos phi, so this will become cos square phi del by del theta, second term as it is. Similarly here also we will use u into v rule. Cot square theta cos phi, ye cos phi, it will be outside, so it will become cos square phi, derivative of del by del phi, it will be del square upon del phi square plus cot square theta cos phi, derivative of cos phi, it will be minus sin phi del by del phi as it is. First function as it is, derivative of second term, second function as it is, derivative of first term. So that is simple uv product rule we have applied. So this is equation 1. So we calculated the value of Lx into Lx, that is this much. So this is equation 1. Now in a similar fashion we will calculate the value of Ly into Ly. So we know that value of Ly is IH cross minus cos phi del by del theta plus cot theta sin phi del by del phi. So I substituted the value of Ly. Then IH cross into IH cross, that is I square H cross square minus cos phi del by del theta into minus cos phi del by del theta minus cos phi del by del theta into cot theta sin phi del by del phi. Then third term is cot theta sin phi del by del phi into minus cos phi del by del theta and cot theta sin phi del by del phi of cot theta sin phi del by del phi. This term, now I square H cross square I wrote as it is. Cos phi minus cos phi into minus cos phi, that is cos square phi del square upon del theta square minus cos phi. As it is a differentiation with respect to theta, I took sin phi outside. So I will get cos phi sin phi del by del theta of cot theta del by del phi. Similarly here minus cot theta sin phi del by del phi. I took minus sign outside. So minus cot theta sin phi del by del phi of cos phi del by del theta plus cot theta sin phi. I took this cot theta outside, so it has become cot square theta sin phi del by del phi of, inside the bracket I will get only sin phi del by del phi, sin phi del by del phi. So now here I square is minus 1, so minus h cross square cos square phi del square upon del theta square minus cos phi sin phi, again u into v rule. So cot theta as it is, derivative of del square upon del theta del phi, then minus cos phi sin phi, derivative of cot theta is minus cosec square theta, minus minus will become plus, so that is how I got this term, cos phi sin phi and cosec square theta, and this term as it is, that is del by del phi. Similarly, I will apply u into v rule over here also. So I will get minus cot theta sin phi cos phi as it is, derivative of this, it is del square upon del phi del theta, and then cot theta sin phi, derivative of cos phi, it is minus sin phi. So minus minus, this become plus. So I am getting cot theta sin square phi del by del theta as it is. Similarly here cot square theta sin phi, ये sin phi it came outside, so it has become sin square phi del square upon del phi square plus cot square theta sin phi का derivative cos phi and then del by del phi term as it is. Now we calculated the value of Ly into Ly. Suppose this is equation 2. And now we will calculate the value of Lz. Lz is minus IH cross del by del phi. So Lz into Lz, it will be minus IH cross del by del phi into minus IH cross del by del phi. Minus IH cross into minus IH cross, it will become I square H cross square del square upon del phi square. I square value is minus 1. So it will become minus H cross square upon del phi square. So we calculated the value of Lx into Lx, Ly into Ly, Lz into Lz. So the next step is adding all these three. So when you will add, just a second. So when we will add equation 1, 2, 3, we will get L square equals to Lx into Lx plus Ly into Ly plus Lz into Lz. Minus h cross square, मैंने तीनों टर्म में minus h cross square term है, so I took it outside minus h cross square, and this is the value of Lx into Lx, then Ly into Ly, then Lz into Lz. ये सारे terms I wrote over here. Now see, this is minus cosec square sin phi cos phi del by del phi, and we have we must be having cosec square theta term here. See this term, cos phi sin phi cosec square theta del by del phi. This is minus, this is plus, so these two terms will get cancelled. Then और कोई minus की term है, yeah, see this term, minus cot square theta cos phi sin phi del by del phi, and similar term we must be having in, yeah, see this, cot square theta sin phi cos phi del by del phi. So these two terms will get cancelled. Then again this term we have cot theta sin phi cos phi del square upon del theta del phi. This will cancel with cot theta cos phi sin phi del square upon del phi del theta. These two terms will cancel. Then one more term, cos phi sin phi cot theta del square upon del theta del phi. This term will cancel with del square del theta del phi. Yeah, here with this term. So these are the terms which are getting cancelled out. So we are left with sin square phi del square upon del theta square. ठीक है, plus we have cos square phi, yeah, cos square phi del square upon del theta square. I wrote that term. Then cos square phi cot theta, cos square phi cot theta del by del theta. ये term मैंने लिखा, that is this term. Then I have sin square phi cot theta del by del theta. This term also I wrote. Then I have cos square phi cot square phi del square upon del phi square, this term, and I have cot square theta sin square phi del square upon del phi square, this term. So I wrote those two terms, plus I have this del square upon del phi square. So all the terms are now like this. So see now del square upon del theta square, del square upon del theta square. So if I take del square upon del theta square common, inside the bracket I will get sin square phi plus cos square phi, which is equals to 1. So for these two terms, I can simply write del square upon del theta square. Now here cos square phi cot theta del by del theta, sin square phi cot theta del by del theta. If I take cot theta del by del theta common, inside the bracket it will be cos square phi plus sin square phi, which is equals to 1. So I am getting this term, cot theta del by del theta. Also here cot square theta del square del phi square common liya, तो inside the bracket I will get cos square phi plus sin square phi, which is equals to 1. So I am getting cot square theta del square upon del phi square, and here that is del square upon del phi square. So ये और ये term में से मैंने del square upon del phi square common लिया, so I got 1 plus cot square theta. Now 1 plus cot square theta, it is nothing but equals to cosec square theta, and cosec theta it is nothing but equals to 1 upon sin theta. सो 1 प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा की जगह पे मैंने कोसेक स्क्वायर थीटा लिखा. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में मैंने कोसेक स्क्वायर थीटा की जगह पे 1 अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर थीटा लिखा. एंड सपोज वॉट एवर दिस एल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू दिस मच, सपोज इट इज माई LHS. नाउ हमको प्रूव क्या करना है, RHS क्या है क्वेश्चन में, RHS इज माइनस एच क्रॉस स्क्वायर 1 अपॉन साइन थीटा डेल बाय डेल थीटा साइन थीटा डेल बाय डेल थीटा प्लस 1 अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर थीटा डेल स्क्वायर अपॉन डेल फाई स्क्वायर. सो माइनस एच क्रॉस स्क्वायर 1 अपॉन साइन थीटा डेल बाय डेल थीटा, अब यहाँ पे u इंटू वी रूल यूज करेंगे. सो साइन थीटा एज इट इज, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ डेल बाय डेल थीटा इट विल बी डेल स्क्वायर अपॉन डेल थीटा स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन साइन थीटा. नाउ साइन थीटा का डेरिवेटिव कॉस थीटा एंड डेल बाय डेल थीटा एज इट इज, प्लस ये टर्म तो वैसे ही लिख दी है. सो साइन थीटा विल गेट कैंसल्ड, सो आई विल गेट डेल स्क्वायर अपॉन डेल थीटा स्क्वायर cos theta upon sin theta, that is cot theta del by del theta plus 1 upon sin square theta del square upon del phi square. This is exactly what is the RHS, what is the LHS जो हम लोगों ने देखा. So hence proved. So we proved this. So this is the value of L square operator in spherical polar coordinates in operator form. Okay. So thank you so much.